friends, today I will explain the process of a modulation and the process of a demodulation system. Before that, first you understand the necessity of a modulation and the necessity of a demodulation. As per I will show in my lecture notes, the necessity of a modulation is: first, reduction in the height of an antenna. Second, avoid the mixing of signals. Third, increase the range of communication. Fourth, multiplexing becomes possible. And fifth is the improves the quality of a reception. So then I will explain the process of a modulation. The total process of a modulation is as shown in the figure. It is consist of two input signals. First is the modulating signal and another is the carrier signal. The modulating signal is nothing but the baseband signal, or it is also called as the information signal, and the carrier signal is nothing but the high frequency sinusoidal signal. But in the process of a modulation, some parameters of a carrier wave such as amplitude, phase and frequency is varied in proportional with the modulating signal, and after that the output of a modulator circuit, it gives the modulated signal, and this signal is transmitted by the transmitter over a communication channel or a communication medium. So in the process of a modulation, the carrier wave is actually acts as the carrier which carries the information signal. In that way, the process of a modulation is completed. Then the necessity of a demodulation. So the modulated signal has the large frequency, and it is consist of a carrier signal and the sideband frequency signal. If this modulated signal or this modulated wave is directly fed to the operating device, then it would not be able to respond to such high frequencies. So, for separate the higher carrier frequencies, the demodulation is the needed. And after that, I can explain the process of a demodulation. So, the process of a demodulation is as shown in figure. The demodulation process is also called as the detection process. It is exactly opposite or the inverse process of a modulation. It is the process of recovering the baseband signal from the modulated signal, and you don't forget the baseband signal is nothing but the modulating signal or the information signal. So we get the information signal at the output of a modulator. So it is called as the opposite process of a modulator. So demodulation process is also called as the opposite process of a modulation, and the demodulation is take place at the receiver. So in that way the demodulation process is completed. Thank you.